For this next screencast, I'm going to show you, now that you've put in some questions, what this is going to look like to the student or to whoever is taking it. So we are in edit mode right now, and that's the tricky part to Google Forms is there's two different views. There's an edit view, and then there's the live view that the recipient would see. So if I were to click up here, let me close that out. If I were to click up here where it says preview, I'm going to click on that, and this is now going to pop me into what it would look like if I were to copy this link and send this to somebody. So when they were to open it, this is what it would look like to them. So you can see, please read all questions carefully. The star means it's required. Here's the star, state your first and last name. They can click in here. In fact, let me just actually take it, Amy BP. What level do you teach? See how when I pull that down, I can see all the choices. Whales are fish. Nope, they're not. I probably should get one wrong though. Let's do one wrong just for pins and giggles. True or false? Whales swim by moving their tails up and down. I'm going to say true. And this is baleen. Blue orca, dolphin. Probably should have mixed those up in hindsight. How hard was the quiz? I'll go in the middle. What is a frog? Let's just put something random in there. Okay, and click submit. So that's what it would look like in live view. So basically what you would do to, first of all, test it out and preview it is you would go, here's the edit view again, and you go into the eyeball and it pops me into a separate window. So I'm going to close that out. But see now in my edit view where it says responses 1, I can go into here and I can see how Amy BP responded. This is the summary page, so everybody's responses would show up under each question. In this case, only one person took it. So I can see how they responded. Okay. The other thing I can do is I can look at the individual results, and this will allow me to, it almost looks like a little mini preview page, but all the answers are filled in. So this is how Amy BP responded, and if there was more than one response, I would just come up here and tab to the next one, tab to see everybody and how they individually responded. The other option you have is to click create spreadsheet. So if you click create spreadsheet, create a new spreadsheet, and click create, what it's going to do is open up a brand new document as basically an Excel spreadsheet, but it's in Google Docs, and it's going to have the questions and then the responses listed underneath of it, see? And if there was multiple ones, you would just see this list, the columns grow more. And I can scroll over. Now this is nice because then I could save this as a separate document. And it does show up in your Google Drive. And in fact, let me show you. I go into my Drive and do recent. Okay, so in fact, let me go to this view. I like this view better. So here's whale quiz and the whale quiz responses, right, side by side. So you'll see that these show up as separate documents. Okay. So anyways, let's go back. Now, having said that, you can customize the look and feel of this. All right, let me go back to questions. So if I come up here, see where it says customize theme? I could choose different colors. I can make it blue, for the ocean. I could choose, little kind of choices on the background color. I can choose font style. Don't be all silly and do something like swirly and whatnot. Make it just easy for somebody to read, for crying out loud. Don't be one of those people. Alright, so you can pretty much choose any shade you want. And up here in choose header, I could choose an image. Ooh, look, it's animated. If you can find something that fits. I don't know. I don't know that I'm going to find anything on whales. I could probably also choose to upload a photo and make it personalized. But just for pins and giggles, I'm just going to click on this one for now and click select. And you can see how that's going to change in the background. And then because of these colors, it gives you different background colors to choose from as well for the theme colors. anyways, so that's how you basically customize a theme. And then if we want to preview it again, this is what it looks like. See? All right, so I'm going to click out of that tab and go back to my edit mode. And then the next screencast is going to be about settings and how you have people access your quiz.